Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all to this topic. As last time in the class we have discussed with the addition of the numbers and the subtraction of the numbers. So similarly we are going to learn in the mode of YouTube. Okay. So I am uploading my first lesson of Excel on YouTube. As you can see, this is the Excel spreadsheet window and I am using OpenOffice. Okay, I think it is pretty clear to all of you that what is the OpenOffice, what is the MS Office. There should be a difference between both of them. Okay, so just now I entered some data. Wherever my cursor will go, this is a particular cell. This is a particular cell. The address of this cell is, you can see here. You can see here. This is the address cell. Okay, so address cell is exactly what? You can see A, B, C, D. These are the columns. That means these. First of all, wherever is your data, you have to see the column. Then you can go up to the row. Okay. So as suppose 23 is here. If I want to read the address of this, so how will I read this? B2. I will read B2. Let's suppose I want to calculate the 36. Then what will be the address of this? C5. Okay, so you should know about the cell address. Okay, so here let's suppose this is a marks of some students. You can see science, maths, English, Hindi, and here are the students name: Aruna, Aman, Karan, Kajal and Sujata. So they got their marks. So I want to calculate these marks. One thing is there, generally whenever you have to calculate, you can go in this direction and in this direction also. Okay, so let's suppose I want to calculate the marks here. So before whenever you are going to calculate the things, or before to write down the formula, you must remember that you have to put a equal symbol. Okay, equal symbol is very important. It is very necessary. So equal symbol is there. When you insert the equal symbol, then you can calculate the things. Okay, so just now I will calculate cell wise, means particular cell data address I will call, then I will add the values. So for easiest way, you can put the equal symbol and click on the particular cell and particular cell and press the plus button. Okay, as I am pressing the plus button, similarly you can click here, second value, next plus button, third value, plus button, and fourth value. Okay, so now we have all the address in the total column. So you can press the enter and you are getting the sum of all the numbers. So it is the easiest way to get the sum of the numbers. Okay, so as you know that Excel will help you to do the calculation fast. This is the sum of the numbers and you want to get the sum of all the numbers. So like that you can go with this equal and all. So why to go with it? Because as I told you, Excel provides you the more feature to calculate the things easy. So I am going to zoom in and I am going to show you something. You can see there is a autofill handle. Okay, this dot is known as the autofill handle. Bring your cursor over there, click and hold the button. Okay, and drag downside and release the button. You can see you got all the numbers result. Okay, I think this is pretty clear to everyone how to get the sum. Similarly, if you want to get the sum of these numbers, so you can write down the same function. But now I am going to do the auto calculation. The function I am going to use, it is equal sum. Okay, it is equal sum. Whenever you are going to implement any formula, this formula bar, this is the formula bar. You can see my cursor is rotating here. This formula bar help you to show the function, whatever function you implement. So as just now I clicked on 142, you can see the address. Okay, the formula bar. Just now I implemented B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2 formula. Okay, now I am going to calculate the sum in this way, in up to down. Okay, so for that what you can do, this is the summation symbol. Okay, you have to click over there and you can directly it will generate the formula itself. Okay, by the one click you can get the formula, and only what you have to do, you have to press the enter. Okay, this is the thing that you can understand. Similarly, auto handle will help you to do the calculation. I think this is pretty clear to everyone. Now what I am going to do, I am going to get the total here, so I am going to write down the total. Okay, second thing, if you want to get the maximum number here, max, which is the maximum number in this series. So what you can do, you can write down equal max, equal max, because max is a function, that's why it is showing in the box here. You can see this box. Okay, so equal max, bracket start, and the address you have to give now. Okay, you can find out the formula in the formula bar, but just now I am telling you that how you can insert with your hand also. Okay, so my data is in B2 because my data is starting in B2, so I am going to write down B2 2. For that you have to press the colon. Okay, and the last value Sujata name is in B6, so I am writing the B6, bracket close. Please remember bracket on, bracket off, and the colon symbol, otherwise function will not work, and press the enter. Just now you can see 45 is the maximum number in this series. One thing is also there, when you are going to calculate the things, just now we have only 5 to 6 students, you can calculate them easily. But if you have the more number of students, 100, 40, then that time what you will do? That time these functions will help you to do this thing. Okay, similarly you can find out the min number, means minimum number, equals to min, bracket start B2 to B6. Okay, B2 to B6, and you can get the minimum number in this series. I am going to highlight this series so that it will be easy to you to recognize. I am going to make it bold so you can see this is the calculation. Okay, similarly you can get the average of these numbers. Okay, before average I want to tell you the count. Okay, so how many numbers we are handling, how many numbers are there. So you can write down equal count here, count equals to B2 to B6. Make it sure bracket on off and colon. Now enter. Just now you are calculating the 5 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means you are handling with the 5 values. Let's suppose if I want to get the average of these numbers. Okay, so what you will do, I want to get the average. Okay, so equal AVERAGE. So this pop-up will help you to write down the spelling correctly. You can pull the insert the bracket B2 to B6, sorry 6, bracket close. What is the average? Sum of the numbers upon total numbers. Okay, so you are getting the 27.8. Okay, I think these things are clear to everyone. You can go in this direction also, so you will get the all the details. That's why we can say that Excel provides the many features to us. Okay, so I hope these things are clear to everyone. You will enjoy the video. Please like, share and comment. Thank you and have a nice day.